Change Happens has an empowering, holistic approach to the work we do. Audre Lorde said there is no such thing as a single-issue struggle because we do not lead single-issue lives. We meet people where they are. Our mission is to help people empower themselves. Change Happens first opens its doors in 1989. The organization started with one program to address substance misuse and impacts on the community. Starting with one program, the agency has grown to over 23 programs today. The organization started with a staff of 3 and has grown to over 70 employees. Moreover, Change Happens has expanded services in 59 counties throughout Texas, and its budget has increased nearly 150% in the last 3 years. Change Happens uses a positive youth development approach that is a comprehensive framework to provide the support all young people need to be successful.
Hi, my name is Caitlin and I go to Concordia Lutheran High School. For a charity project here, we decided to partner with Change Happens. So we decided to do a car wash. So one of the elements that really caught our attention is their Rescue Youth program. And they basically help with drug and alcohol prevention for teens and rehab. I know a lot of people that struggle with that in our community and around us.
These programs include after-school and summer enrichment programs, teen pregnancy prevention, one-to-one mentoring, and programs that help transition youth from the justice system back to the community.
My name is Jordan Guidry, and I am in the TRIO Upward Bound 2022 summer program. I also participate in the Hype 2.0 program. Some of the things that I've learned from Hype 2.0 is about safe sex and that HIV numbers are drastically high in my community. I would like to thank Change Happens for providing this program because it helped me develop healthy habits.
Change Happens Self-Sufficiency Program provides education, training, and credentials that result in employment in high-wage, high-demand jobs. 1 in 5 people in Texas are uninsured. Change Happens is working to change this powerful social detriment of who lives and who dies, at what age, and with what degree of suffering. Millions of people are affected by mental illness each year. According to the National Alliance on Mental Illness, 1 in 5 U.S. adults experience mental illness, and 17% of youth ages 6 to 17 experience a mental health disorder.
I am Pamela Haynes, single mother of 3. I believe in mentorship. My younger son is a part of Change Happens, but being a part of Change Happens really helped him grow and move forward in life beyond the depression. Not only was he battling that, but because of Change Happens, he was able to be on the honor roll at Jack Yates Senior High School his senior year. So I'm very grateful to be a part of Change Happens. I'm grateful to have Change Happens a part of my life and a part of my son's life.
Approximately 1.2 million people in the U.S. have HIV. The highest rates of new diagnoses continue to occur in the South. Change Happens is using creative, customized, and community-driven solutions to diagnose, treat, prevent, respond to end the HIV epidemic in the U.S.
This is my first time doing this, and I gotta thank them for doing this. I'd rather be safe than sorry.
According to data from the Harris County Juvenile Detention Alternatives Initiative, most of the youth referred to Juvenile Probation Department are young males of color with a median age of 15. Change Happens is working to support grassroots service providers to prevent youth involvement and deepening involvement in the justice system.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Edmondson, and I'm a part of the Change Happens My Brother's Keepers program. I believe it's good for African Americans to have mentoring programs because right now, in this day of time, African American males are very frowned upon. There's a lot of us that are very great, that are very smart, very talented, but we're frowned upon because of the stereotypes and everything. And I feel like if we were to have a mentor program, we would be able to find ourselves and not be, down because of what the world think of us. And if we're able to open up, let off whatever we have on our chest, let off everything we need, then we'll be able to find ourselves and become greater than what we think we are.
Change Happens Rescue in Motion housing program combines permanent housing with wraparound supportive services to help end homelessness in our community.
Hello, Change Happens. My name is Brandon Stanley. I was once homeless. I received a flyer about Change Happens program, living assistance program. I was going through hard times here at the city of Houston, Texas. Change Happens took me in off the street and assisted me with a living assistance program. Now I'm a college student for Houston Community College, and I'm planning to transfer to University of Houston. Thank you, Change Happens.
The organization's advocacy work is focused on policy change to reduce educational disparities, to address the disproportionate number of youth involved in the justice system. The organization has built and sustained a myriad of partnerships. The organization operates with the belief that there is nothing of significance that it can do alone, and that it takes all of us working together to have a transformative outcome and lasting sustainability. With the COVID-19 pandemic, our lives were upended. The pandemic showed how we lived, worked, and interacted. Change Happens had to rethink the fundamentals of how we live out our mission and how we were energized to find ways to help displaced workers and their families meet basic needs. This is the work of Change Happens. This is our mission, the tasks that have been assigned to us in fulfillment of that charge. These tasks are not easy to solve, and they require all of our collective wisdom and capacity. We have a common humanity and kinship, and that kinship requires us to delight in one another and to help one another. Come, let us journey together to enrich the lives of others, to build community, and to alleviate suffering.